Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I will just be giving you guys some quick motivation. You already seen me get some laundry done. I put some of that away, put my towels away. I stripped my bedding and I put that in the washing machine. I'll just be dusting everywhere, pretty much like vacuuming. I'll also be taking you guys downstairs and giving you an update on the basement area. I think I showed you guys that a few videos back. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on how that's going. I won't be doing too much today because Callie does have a 3 p.m. hair appointment. So I wanted to get some things done before we left out to get that, or to get her hair done. So thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you all are doing well. So now I'm going to take you guys downstairs to let you see what's going on in the basement. All right, so this is the basement so far. We did put a couch in. We did a little painting. You guys may notice that table, it was upstairs. I don't think I like it down here, but I'm gonna wait to see how I like it once everything is done. Y'all know me, I'm always changing some stuff around. So one minute it may be up here, the next minute it may be upstairs. I don't know, but we're gonna see how that's working. He did put the wall up. He put the TV, the surround sound, and like the fireplace. I don't know how to work anything down here, so I'm not gonna touch nothing. I'm just gonna like sweep the floor just to kind of get all the extra dust that keeps on coming up. You guys know if you're doing any type of renovations to your house, like the sawdust or whatever just flies everywhere. So I'm just gonna kind of, get that under control today. So that's what I'll be doing. Here's like a nice little update on everything.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space.
So this is what I placed the order for on Amazon. I placed this order yesterday. I knew I was going to have a couple of things that I needed to do today, so I figured I could just send an order through them, and while I was cleaning up, they would just deliver it. I didn't get too much, just some basics or whatever. Just some lunch meat, spinach, orange juice. If you guys never tried this 365 orange juice from Whole Foods, oh my gosh, try it. Along with the orange, strawberry, banana. So good, so good. Butterhead lettuce, peaches, oranges, bacon. You guys know we love some eggs and bacon. Some chili cheese Fritos, bread, Pepsi, some cookies, an onion, some bananas, and avocado. So that's what we ordered. I'm going to put this stuff away and I will be done. So now that everything is done, I'm getting ready to get dressed, get myself together so me and Cal can make it to her hair appointment. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, we are getting ready to go. It is almost 3 o'clock. Callie has to go get her hair done. So I had fixed myself up just a little bit. I curled my hair, put on a nice little white bodysuit, some jeans, a nice little Gucci belt, matched with the bag, some nice slides that I found on Amazon. And that is the end of our day. I hope that you guys have found some motivation today, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.